Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Why? Because we cannot go back into yesterday. No, suppose something went wrong yesterday. No use of weeping over what happened yesterday. What went wrong yesterday? Okay, you you were trying to cook something, and what happened? It was overcooked. You can't go back into yesterday and do something. No, nothing can be done. Okay, and tomorrow, what's going to happen? Leave it only today. Remember, we are each morning, it's a rebirth. What we do today is what matters most. So, today, a beautiful new day. Let's welcome this beautiful new day. All right? Yeah, a great day. The question, how do you begin the day? It's very important. See, you are all in the European countries, two or three different countries. It's just 5 or 5:30 in your place. All right. We also got up the time you got up because we have session here at 6 o'clock. Okay. So we also got up early in the morning. And this is a third session this morning. All right, for us. Okay. So how do you begin the day? You can begin the day by taking a cup of coffee. That's okay. I'm sure that all of you had a cup of tea or coffee in the morning, okay? And you can also begin the day maybe by checking your mobile phone. Is there any message from home or from your friends or from your office? Or maybe, okay? And you can also begin the day by reading the newspaper. Maybe you do not do it in your country, in your place, because everything is done over the phone these days for you, okay? And how do you begin the day? You can also begin the day by checking your attitude. Okay, just check the attitude, just as nurses do when you go to a patient. See, you check his pulse or is whether whether the person has a fever. See, check your attitude. I can begin the day by checking my attitude every morning, and in fact I should do this every morning, not at the end of the day, the beginning itself. I can begin the day by checking my attitude. I can have two different attitudes from the morning. One is born to win attitude or born to lose attitude. What's born to win and what's born to lose? In fact, born to win or born to lose is the attitude. Attitude also has another meaning, means the dress we wear. Okay, see? So you can imagine, I wear a dress in the morning, and on that dress, it's printed in bold letters, born to lose or born to win. And you can imagine all the people that see me born to win, born to win, born to win. What do they feel? See, when they read born to win, they also get this feeling they are also born to win. See, when somebody greets us good morning, what happens? That good morning makes the other person also feel a great morning. Instead, from the morning onwards, I can also wear another dress born to lose. When people see my face, listen to my voice, when they see me doing many things, as though I'm wearing a dress called mental attitude born to lose. So, this morning's theme is born to win or born to lose. It's up to me to decide, okay? Just as I choose the dress to wear this morning, I can wear an attitude by choice. And I'm sure that we have all joined this Mind Plus program because I want to wear born to win attitude constantly, every moment. Okay, yeah. Doesn't matter what I do, doesn't matter where I go. So, born to win. And at the end of the day, can I sleep on a pillow? Okay, which gives me the feeling win, win, win. See? So during the day in the morning, I wear the dress born to win. All right. And during the day, I do many things wearing this beautiful dress born to win. See, I cook, I clean, I talk with people, I do that so many things. Dress is born to win, all right? And at night, I sleep, and the pillow is win pillow. What a beautiful thing, no? And sleep beautifully well throughout the sleep. Win, win. Each and every dream you see is winning. See, in your dreams, you see angels coming, not devils, okay? In your dreams, you see beautiful flowers blooming. See, in your dreams, you see people smiling at you, giving you a shake hand, lifting you up, encouraging you, clapping for you. So many things. What a beautiful thing it's going to be. Yeah. Everyone who sees you has a word of appreciation for you. Yeah. So at the end of the day, sleeping on this pillow, the win, the morning, wearing the dress, born to win. But we should remember, I should choose this born to win. Why? Because the same color, there is another dress born to lose. Okay. All right. Very often what happens, we don't check the sign, and very often there are maybe 7 out of 10 people, they wear this born to lose attitude dress. All right. Yes. So this is a challenge for us from the morning onwards. So at night when we sleep, imagine you're sleeping on the wind pillow from tonight. Zig Ziglar, perhaps you have heard of him. You have listened to his talks, or you can listen to him. A child is born to win, but too many have been conditioned to lose. Why? Every child is born to win, but what happens? The child is born 1 year, 2 year, 2.5 years, and the parents find, the little fellow is causing a lot of havoc at home, okay? He's pulling down these things, damaging this, he's drawing here, okay? He's painting here. See, the past 2 weeks, I painted my husband just maybe after the lockdown last year. But what happened? I have in the evening, I have my own daughter's kids and my neighbor's kids, all are here, okay? They all little fellows, they all play. And for last week, a little boy, my neighbor's boy, I don't know from where he got a pen, and he drew. He's just 2 years only. He has drawn a lot of things on my my wall, okay? Clean wall, okay? And my daughter's boy, okay, he also has painted many things on the walls. See? And remember, though you paint many things good, there may be little children, maybe elderly people who can spoil that, all right? Yes. Little children, don't worry. But what about the elderly people? Sometimes we feel we are born to lose, and my thoughts, what I speak, what I do, everything becomes failure. Okay? So let's go back into the child that is born to win and make necessary corrections if anything went wrong as we grew up. Okay? See, a little child born to win, sometimes parents make them losers, shouting at them. The little boy, little girl goes to school and bullying there. Maybe due to famine, economic poverty, children, they feel there, and very pathetic conditions, even in India, in African countries. Even now we have, okay, of course, Kerala. Kerala definitely much, much better, okay? But there are many other states, no physical facilities for little children to grow up. And the religions are meant to make people happy. What do religions do now? Maybe more people are killed now in wars by religious groups than any other. All right? Yes. And men, women, even now, women are being persecuted. See? Kerala, just recently, of course, in every state in India, all right? Women are being persecuted, downgraded, and so many deaths happening. And of course, maybe from the participants from Kerala, you may know some of those notorious things that have happened in Kerala these days, okay? A lot of protests are going on now. So every girl is born to win, but how many girls are given this privilege to grow up, to become successful? All right, yeah. And even when you get into a job, there may be certain situations where others persecute to make you a victim. Marriage life, people enter into marriage with great expectations, but it can happen. See, blaming, fighting can happen there too. So many things, due to so many conditions, though born to win, people feel they are not really winning in their life. Okay, so we are all born to win. Everyone is born to win. So the today's theme is I am born to win. Born to win, we should remember it's not defeating another person. Okay, usually what happens in our country, maybe everywhere, to win, I should defeat somebody else. No. So in our Mind Plus program, we rewrite this philosophy at home, in a workplace, in a neighborhood. Okay, it's not defeating another. Our winning is when everybody becomes number one. All right, see, everyone becomes number one. So think of a world in which every country is prosperous. See, in our location, in our place, in our office, everybody feels I am number one. Everybody feels I am number one. Okay, and everyone congratulates the other person because everyone is number one. This is a philosophy that we promote in our meditation sessions. Okay, so nobody to defeat. Husband-wife relationship. See, brothers, sisters, neighborhood, countries, and it's not comparing with another. Apple comparing itself with an orange. No, it's not comparing, but I should learn to compare my today with my yesterday, and I should feel I have become a bit more better than yesterday. See, I'm I'm not going to compare myself with anyone else, but my yesterday, my level of confidence yesterday, my level of confidence today. See, my relationship with other people yesterday, how much have I improved today? Yeah. My problem solving ability yesterday and my problem solving ability today. So, and if today I have become better, I know tomorrow I can become even more better. Okay. So for us, it's becoming better than yesterday, today, and I know based on today I can become better tomorrow. It's not comparing myself with somebody else. Okay. And your yesterday and your today only improving every day. So the purpose of this Mind Plus is actually this. See, doesn't matter my mind, my level of confidence. Maybe when I started very small, very little, but today bit more, bit more, bit more. My relationship with other people, very small, but better, better, better. Okay? My professional quality is small, becoming better, better, better. Okay. So in becoming better every day, maybe 1 centimeter per day, enough, no? Within 30 days, 30 centimeters, no? See? And how we grow. My level of happiness, every day becoming a bit more better. What a beautiful thing, no? Yeah. Great feeling. See? Yes. So, born to win. Remember, perhaps you have heard the story of a little the eagle that grew up together with little chicks because the egg of an eagle was stolen and it was forced to be there together with the eggs of the chick, the hen, and together with the little chicks, the eagle also, little eagle. And you can imagine the little eagle growing up together with the little chicks and thinking that it's also a chick. And one day discovering that I am an eagle, I am born to win. My world is not this earth, not scratching the earth, but my world is that sky. I have wings to fly high up in the sky. So one day, maybe during this meditation process, we realize that I have my wings to fly high up. Yeah, my dreams. And all of you are in either in England or Germany or France because you had these dreams. Okay, so congratulations to you. Maybe even after reaching there, sometimes what can happen, that dreams, your wings, they may not fully function. All right. So once again, let those wings begin to make you fly higher up. The eyes of an eagle, completely different from the eyes of a little chick. It can see minute little things from very high up in the sky. So your ability, your foresight, and the claws of an eagle, and the beaks of an eagle. No, very, very powerful. So this morning, our theme is I'm born to win. I am born to win like an eagle. But if I'm not careful, what will happen? I'll spend my days, live my life on the earth, scratching mud, searching for little worms, and I'll be at the mercy of people throwing food waste and eating food waste. Okay, remember, I'm born to fly high up in the sky. There's a beautiful poem written by Walter de Wintel. Those stanzas in the red letters. Success begins with the fellows where it's all in the state of mind. Okay, mind plus success basically is in the state of the mind. If my mind tells me I'm born to fly high, my wings will begin to fly. All right? Yeah. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. So this is the actual purpose of this Mind Plus program, making people think she can or he can live a life to its fullness. Okay? Yes. അപ്പോൾ ആകാശത്ത് പറക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി ജനിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പരുന്ത് ആകാശത്ത് തന്നെ പറക്കണം. Okay? Hope Divya understands this. Okay, let me also use a bit of Malayalam. Okay? A bird is born to fly high. അത് മണ്ണ് മാന്തി നടക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ one day it should realize, my goodness, what am I doing here? I am born to fly high. See, my place is in the sky. All right? So one day it realizes it's born to fly high. And participants of this program, in one way or the other, we are all born to fly high with the feeling, yes, I can do it. Okay, all of us have different areas for flying. Maybe personal life, maybe professional life, maybe in relationship, maybe solving certain issues. Okay, I should have this feeling, I can do it feeling. Okay, I'm born to fly high. Yeah. Maybe some of you want to get promotions, born to fly high. Some of you should become the captains and the leaders of areas and departments. You should have this feeling, yes, I can do it. I'm born to fly high. Yeah. Maybe because of you, maybe some of your family members, they should learn to live a better life. Okay. Yeah. Inspiration from you. So, lot of things. Yes, I can do it feeling. I can. I can. So, this morning's theme is this. I can. I'm born to fly high like an eagle. All right. So let's get into the second part, the meditation part. Sit comfortably, sit comfortably. Take a long, deep breathing. Breathe out gently and slowly, and gently close your eyes. Sit comfortably, gently close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. Become aware of the day and the date. Today is 29th of June, a new day. A new day. Mind plus day 2. Mind plus day 2. Beautiful new morning. To relax my body first, let me visualize number 3 times. When I visualize number 3, I imagine a relaxation from the top of my head, moving slowly down, relaxing every part of my body beautifully now, down to the toes. Number 2, 3 times. My mind is completely getting relaxed now. I can allow my mind to rest anywhere it likes. Body and mind, calm and cool. Number 1, the alpha stage, completely relaxed now. Completely relaxed. When I'm completely relaxed, I have this beautiful feeling. Born to win. Born to win. And I can see myself after getting up in the morning, after getting a shower. I open the shelf and consciously I'm taking a dress. I'm looking at it. It's printed, born to win, born to win. Double check and make sure it's printed, born to win. Double check, born to win. I'm wearing that dress. I'm looking into the mirror. Tell yourself in the mirror, I'm born to win. My thoughts, the thoughts of a winner, every word I speak, words of a winner, every action I do, actions of a winner, like the eagle, like the eagle. Maybe due to certain conditions, like the eagle in that story, forced to live like a chicken, one day realizing its place is not on the earth, its place is up in the sky. An eagle is born to fly up in the sky. I realize my potentials, the power of my wings now. ആ ചിറകുകളുടെ ശക്തി ശരിക്ക് തിരിച്ചറിയുക. ചിറകുകൾ, ആഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ, സ്വപ്നങ്ങൾ, dreams. Your wings, dreams, to fly high, to be more happy. Beautiful feeling. Beautiful feeling. And when you fly high, you are so happy because there are others also flying high, just like you. Everyone is born to fly high. Everyone. Your brothers, sisters, your cousins, everyone is born to fly high. The people who are working with you, your colleagues, you realize that everyone is born to fly high. And if there is anyone you can spot out, maybe the place where you work, somebody who is depressed and happy, sad, you can encourage him or her to come into this realization, he or she is also born to fly high, to become number one. Everyone is born to fly high, and I am flying high now because I realize I am born to win. I am born to win. In my imagination, I can feel that I'm flying high. All those mental, physical, social limitations are cut off. You're flying high like an eagle now. And you're wearing the dress printed boldly, born to win. Born to win. Such a powerful wings. You're flying over any obstacles now. Beautiful feeling. And at night, when you sleep, you're sleeping on the pillow on which it's written, win. In the morning from today onwards, wearing the dress printed, born to win at the front, I can at the back, and at night, as you go to bed, you can read it, you can see it on the pillow, win. Beautiful feeling. And as you fly high, you can also see other eagles flying. Everyone is a winner now. Everyone is a winner now. Beautiful feeling. When I count from 1 to 5, you can slowly open your eyes. 1, beautiful feeling, born to win. 2, you can see so many others flying together with you. Because the sky is so vast, there is space for everyone to fly. 3, life is to win, to be happy, to be more prosperous. 4, the winning feeling inside you and outside you. 5, you can slowly, gently open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes, or rub your palms together. You can rub your palms together and apply the warmth on your face. Wipe your face first, your shoulders, both hands, chest, stomach down, and at the end, your backbone.